from Group 5. My name is Yuliana Rachmawati.
My name is Yollanda Ghea.
And my name is Winda Riandini. So today we got a lot of questions and we choose the best 3 questions and we will answer it one by one. So if you are curious enough,
So we will begin the question and answer now. I will read the first question. First question is, what is political risk and the types of political risk? So the further information will be explained in the next video.
Before a multinational company expands their business in another country, there is one of the most important things that the company has to understand: government, law, and political risks. Political risks are the actions by groups or people or governments that have the potential to affect the immediate and or long-term viability of a firm. The first political risk that has to be considered by a multinational company is the political or economic environment. In the past, the most important risk faced by companies in such situations is nationalization. However, today, civil war and terrorism represent a greater business risk for a multinational company. The second is the prevailing domestic economic conditions. Domestic conditions in the host country, such as the ability of a country to purchase a company's products, which depends on factors like per capita income and growth rate, and the presence of infrastructure such as roads, airports, and other transportation systems, can add or reduce the amount of a risk company faces in a foreign location. Usually, good infrastructure support reduces risks and thereby facilitates entry and expansion of a business. The last is external economic relations. There are also a large number of factors that deal with how a country relates economically to another country. For example, many countries have restrictions on imports, usually in the form of tariffs. So through the use of import taxes, a country can partially restrict imports and provide protection for domestic industry. This presents a risk for the foreign multinational company.
and the second question is, what the obstacle in political risk and the way to solve it?
Every relationship usually has problem or conflict in it. Same with political agreement. The presence of an agreement to oversee trade does not mean that there will be no conflict between countries. There is considerable trade and legal disagreement among countries. Resolving any disputes across borders is very complex. That's why they better use arbiter, because arbiter usually stands in neutral position and has the ability to make an excellent decision for both parties. There are law aspects that control these political risks. First one is common law. The United States and the United Kingdom are examples of countries with a common law system. Common law is based on tradition, precedent, and custom and usage. The second one is a civil law system, also called a codified legal system. It's based on a detailed set of laws organized into a legal code. Common law is based on the court's interpretation of events, whereas civil law is based on how the law is applied to facts. And the last is theocratic law. This law is based on the officially established rules governing the faith and practice of a particular religion.
And finally, this is the last question. What is the government role in international business? And we will find out the answer in the next video.
And then let's talk about government's role in international business. There is no doubt that the government's role in international business, trade, investment, and so on is of utmost significance. However, corruption in governments throughout the world used to be considered a fact of life, undesirable. Corruption, broadly defined as the abuse of public or private office for personal gain, takes many different forms, from routine bribery or petty abuse to the amassing of spectacular personal wealth through embezzlement and other dishonest means.
So the conclusion is, if a multinational company wants to do an international business, they have to make sure that the country has a clean government and fair law system.
So that's all from us. We hope that our video will bring you many benefits, and Group 5 is signing out.
Goodbye. See you in the next video.